Welcome to today's episode. I'm excited to dive into an essential topic for anyone working in tech: alert management, and how the latest AIOps platforms are transforming our operations. It seems like every week we hear about another tool or technology that claims it will make our lives easier. But how do we sift through the noise and actually find solutions that integrate well with our existing workflows? Today, we're talking about a platform that does just that: an open-source alert management and AIOps solution. So, let's start with the concept of a single pane of glass for alert management. Imagine having a dashboard where all alerts and incidents from various systems are visible and actionable in one place. It's like having a control center right at your fingertips. This tool aims to provide that best-in-class customizable UI that helps teams stay on top of notification overload. Now, if you're wondering how it achieves that, let's talk about some advanced features like alert deduplication, enrichment, filtering, and correlation. Picture this: you're getting alerts left and right, but many of them are just duplicates. Deduplication helps reduce that noise so you can focus on the alerts that actually matter. And then there's data enrichment. It's similar to adding context to a story. When you receive an alert, having additional information about it, like the service involved or previous incidents, allows you to assess the situation faster, which is crucial in incident management. Speaking of integration, this platform supports a myriad of tools across observability, databases, communication platforms, and incident management systems. From Datadog to Slack, it creates bidirectional syncs, which means you can automate your workflows effectively. You could set up a workflow that automatically creates a Jira ticket every time a critical alert comes through from Sentry, focusing on your payment services. Doesn't that sound like a lifesaver? Oh, and let's not forget automation through workflows. Using GitHub Actions, you can automate your alert and incident management processes. For example, a simple workflow can send a message to your Slack channel or trigger an email alert when the system detects an issue. Imagine the time you'd save not having to manually monitor everything. And here's a cool question: what if you could manage all this with the ease of deploying a single tool? Whether you prefer running it locally, on Kubernetes, or in the cloud, this platform allows for flexible deployment. It's almost like having a Swiss Army knife for all your monitoring and incident management needs. Have you used an open-source tool before for similar purposes? In our current era, we can't overlook the importance of enterprise readiness and security features like SSO, SAML, and granular access control. Sophisticated security is paramount, especially as we deal with sensitive data. Before we wrap up today's discussion, let's reflect on the key takeaways. Whether it's the single pane of glass for tracking alerts, powerful deduplication, or the convenience of automation through workflows, this platform is designed with efficiency in mind. And that leads to a smoother workflow for tech teams, ultimately fostering a proactive rather than reactive approach to incident management. Thanks for tuning in today. Keep exploring how these tools can change the way you handle alerts and incidents, because finding the right tools might just simplify your life in tech. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.